Here you see the homepage for the ISEF. The most relevant items are the finalist exhibit hall towards the lower right, as well as the commons on the upper left. First, we're going to go into the finalist exhibit hall. If you click on that, it'll bring up the list of different categories. I'm going to select robotics, and then in here you can click the list of projects. Then they're listed across. You can scroll across and see the different projects. Some have more information in them than others. And I'm going to find one. Here's just some examples, but I'm going to find one that is, I happen to know because I looked, it's by a student from Virginia. So this is a fairly nice project. This young man has his abstract as well as a poster included. You can see here on the abstract that he is from Hampton, Virginia, and his poster looks pretty nice. It also includes a video. I don't have the audio from his video playing here, but you can see there's different things in these for each of the students. And they can provide other documentation. Some of them are more substantive than others, but this is generally what you can expect to see. Coming back out and thinking about how to contact a student, there's a chat box, and in here, this is actually moderated by the ISEF staff. You can send a message in here and it'll be forwarded to the student. You do want to mention their booth number, and I could even say the student. And so if I wanted to talk to Andrew, that was the student we were just looking at, I'd say, type in, "Hi Andrew, VCU Engineering thinks you're awesome," or whatever. Keep on typing, and then the booth moderators will make sure that that gets to the student. I'm going to close out of this and actually go to our Commons booth. So up in the Commons, you'll see these are the universities and other exhibitors that are there. Inside of our booth, you can see the staff who are in place, Rachel and Benny and I. And then I'm going to click down in the chat box below here, and there's a button that says add a new chat, start a new chat. I'm going to search for Andrew. And you'll notice that the Andrew we were just talking to was Andrew Balch was his last name. He didn't show up because he's not currently logged in. I'm going to search for Rachel, and you can see there we've got our Rachel Wazalewski, who I've already got a chat going with. So I'm going to click actually on a different Rachel who's in here, who happens to be signed in. And you can see down on the lower right, that's added a new chat that I could start with this other Rachel. Now, I'm not actually going to do that, but that's a way that you could reach directly and personally to a student if you wanted to, without having it be moderated. All right, thanks.